In this video, I'm going to show you how you can leverage AI to create a blog in just about 10 seconds. And by blog, I mean a website that automatically creates and publishes content every single day on autopilot, right? But before I do so, and before I explain to you how you can do it using this little software right here, I'm going to explain to you what the old way of building a blog is, right? The old way is time consuming and expensive, right? You'd have to hire copywriters to write the actual content. You had to spend time and money on the ideation and the creation of the actual content, right? You had to spend time also publishing the content because someone has to go there, paste the content in, click a button and have it go live. And that takes time, right? That if you think about it, it takes time. If you're publishing 10, 20 articles per week, it takes time, right? And then of course, having the articles be SEO optimized, right? It is important that you optimize your articles for search engines. Otherwise, you're just writing them just because the goal is to have them rank on Google to bring in traffic to your business, right? So that's the old way. And what's the new improved way and how you can essentially click a button and have a blog automatically create and post content every single day on autopilot, right? It is a way that it's using journalists in seconds and affordable. Like click a button, wait 10 seconds, the blog is live and it's producing content on autopilot, right? So auto publishes the content. That's headers, images for relevancy, table of contents, properly SEO optimized, right? And why is this important? I'm sure you know, if you're watching this video, why a blog is important, because it allows you to build trust in your brand, right? People view your brand as an authority in the space because you have a blog that talks about what your niche is. Again, it is an instant boost in trust and authority. So you got to stop hiring copywriters, writing content, designing and managing your blog. It's time consuming and expensive. So the best way to do this is leveraging AI. And a lot of people don't want to leverage AI. In my opinion, if you don't leverage AI, you're going to be left behind. So just go to journalist.cafe, click login. And then this software also allows you to generate a bunch of articles, right? If you go here to my history, I can see some of the articles I generated in the past, right? These ones are about how to make a backyard pond, right? Pretty straightforward. But now this also, you can click here to post it to WordPress manually. So you generate an article and then post it to WordPress manually. But how can you automate this process? How can you have your blog connected and generating and posting articles automatically? What you do is you go here to integrations in Autoblog, click it, then you connect your domain, paste it in here, authorize. I just did so with this one, and your blog is connected, right? Pretty straightforward. Now, two ways you can do this automation for your automatic blog. Again, one way is you go here, you generate the articles, whether that's a simple mode or titles mode. If you don't know what this is, just watch my previous video. You can essentially generate articles based on the description or generate articles based on a title, right? After you generate these articles, you can see them all here on the history, or you can go to the view all tab. You can view them all here, right? But what you can do again is go here, click view the articles again, and then just post them to WordPress, right? Go through all of them, post to WordPress, go through, post to WordPress. That's the semi-automatic way. Now, a fully automatic way is you go again to integrations on a blog, connect your blog again, click manage, and then here is where the magic happens, right? Just wait for this to load, turn on autoblog, and then all these options will pop up. Of course, you can select the language, whether your blog is in English, Spanish, Portuguese, Greek, whatever it is. Let's do English for now. You can choose the daily frequency, 20 posts a day. That's 600 posts every single month, which is a lot, right? You have a blog on autopilot producing 600 SEO optimized, UI optimized, UX optimized SEO posts, articles, Then time gap between each post, you might want to put them all at the same time, or in 4 hours time. I would recommend you do 4 hours. Then images, you can have the images just like we saw before in the samples inside of your articles. You can have them be stock photos, Google Answers for images. You can also add in-article images, right? So these are the images for the featured image. Then these ones will be images for the in-article image, right? So pretty straightforward. I'll select all these options. Then categories, right? This will analyze the categories based on the site you connected. So if it is a WordPress site, you're going to have categories for the articles. And so you can choose to post the articles under a certain category. Let's do blog. Then tags, you can also tag, of course, the articles. Author, right? Your blog should have an author, very, very important. So that's here where you selected. Let's do this one. Status, you can have the articles automatically be written and posted as drafts. So you can then improve them if you want, or have someone improve them, or you can just put them all as live, right, by the get-go. And then the niche, right? This is where you essentially put in the info that you want the articles to be about. So write articles on why SEO is one of the best marketing strategies out there, how businesses can benefit from SEO, etc., 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 right? You can also, of course, have it be creative or more formal, right? That depends on what you want, and hit update. And what this little button is going to do once this is live is, again, let's say this is your blog right here. Journalist, the software, will automatically produce content right? Based on what you wrote here, the language and all that. And will automatically post it to your website. In this case, 20 articles every single month, 4 hours apart, forever, until you turn it off, right? So that's 600 SEO optimized articles every single month being auto posted to your blog automatically, right? And the type of articles you're going to be producing, again, are these ones right here. So articles that are pretty cool, pretty well optimized with featured images, right? Table of contents right here, proper structure, right? In article images, right? Proper images that are relevant to what you're writing here. And that's the type of articles that are going to be published automatically to your WordPress site. So again, click a button, generates the articles, and then automatically posts them to your WordPress website. So that's the power of this tool, and that's essentially how you can generate and create a blog in 10 seconds using AI, right? Create the blog, generate the content, and have it published automatically to your site, 20 articles a day, every single day for the rest of the times. That's it. That's the video. I'll leave a link for this in the description if you want to try it out. So yeah, if you have any questions, let me know. I'm here to help, and I'll catch you on the next one. Cheers.